My God, nobody on. Anyways, welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. All right, so a bit misleading from Aston Villa, I would definitely say, posting picture of Leon Bailey back in training session, and certainly it would have given the fans that bit of confidence that Leon Bailey is back and they're expecting to see Leon Bailey. Unfortunately, it didn't turn out against Newcastle in today's game. Guys, please do smash the like button. If you're here for the first time, would really appreciate it, and welcome and join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Just join the family. We have a nice family now. Join the family. Anyways, so Leon Bailey was pictured returning to training in Aston Villa by Aston Villa actually, and it's a bit misleading, I would say. But the date now, return date is set for the early part of May, which is maybe just 2-3 weeks, about 2 weeks from now. Is return date, and that is fully fit return date slated for early May, which is quite good because as a Reggae Boy fan, that's in the time period for the Gold Cup, and also for Aston Villa fans, that's a good time period for them to break into that top 6, and I do believe that he will be vital in those last couple of games to break into the top 6 and maintain their position in the top 6, if possible creep into the top 4, which is quite good. But certainly it didn't feature today, and we have now found out that his return date is closer to is in the early section of May more than anything else. And definitely it didn't feature, more than likely, the fact that he could be in training but probably not doing a heavy work or heavy running in training, just probably some light stuff to keep him going and maintaining a level of fitness. So definitely just that one, I want to drop a little bit of update on Leon Bailey. Unfortunately, Aston Villa tricked us. Unfortunately, Aston Villa tricked us where Leon Bailey is concerned. But the mere fact that he would have returned to the training ground definitely means that he possibly is not that far, and maybe just the early part of May is just a precaution measure just to ensure that we have him and a fully fit Leon Bailey going into the final back end of the season, which is actually important to Aston Villa as well. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, MG Sports TV, people, and we are out.